What is Omni and how does it work for nice first-timers? Imagine stepping onto a subway train or hopping on a bus in New York City and not having to fumble for coins or swipe a card. That's what Omni makes possible. Omni, which stands for One Metro New York, is the city's new contactless fare payment system. It's designed to replace the old MetroCard system and makes paying for transit quick and simple. If you're planning your first trip to the city, understanding Omni can save you time and make your travels smoother. Here's how it works. You can pay using your own contactless bank card, like a Visa or MasterCard, or a smartphone or smartwatch with a digital wallet such as Apple Pay or Google Pay. You can also buy an Omni card, which is a special transit card you load money onto. No matter which method you choose, there's no need to buy a separate transit card if your device is compatible. When you're ready to board, just tap your card or device on the Omni reader at the station or on the bus. The system instantly deducts the fare from your linked payment method. It's as simple as tapping your phone or card and walking onto the train or bus. Omni is accepted everywhere you need to go in the city. You'll find it at every subway station, all MTA buses, the Staten Island Railway, Roosevelt Island Tram, Hudson Rail Link, and AirTrain JFK stations. This means you can use one payment method to get around the entire city without worrying about buying multiple tickets or Metro cards. For travelers planning to stay a few days, Omni also supports fare capping. This means once you reach a certain amount spent in a week, your rides become free. It's a great way to save money if you plan to use public transit often during your visit. If you prefer, you can buy or reload an Omni card at vending machines located in stations. These machines accept cash, credit, and debit cards. They also give change in bills and coins if needed. Keep in mind, the MetroCard system will stop being sold after December 31st, 2025, and Omni will fully replace it in 2026. But the good news is, you can start using Omni right now, making your first trip to New York City easy and hassle-free. So for your first-time visit, Omni is a smart choice. It eliminates the need to carry around change or worry about refilling a physical card. Instead, it works with devices you already carry, making your travel faster and more convenient. Whether you're heading to the Empire State Building, Central Park, or catching a Broadway show, Omni helps you focus on exploring the city instead of managing your fare.